Now I'm going to show you how to peel up the cupcake holders from the chocolate. If you don't have too much time, then you can always put it in the freezer 10 minutes or so, but it's better to put it in the refrigerator for an hour. We're going to be very gently. You can even tear. We don't need the cupcake holders, so we're going to do it very gently because the chocolate here is very thin. It's a very thin layer. Even if it breaks a little bit, it's not so important. It's okay. As you can see, it came out nicely out, but you can still, if you want, keep them inside the cupcake holders, because it's probably it's better to serve it with it. If you don't want to get your guests' hands dirty or something, it's better to serve it with the cupcake holders, although it's very nicely when you take it out of the cupcake holders.